I just thought I'd get a little snapshot of the things that are coming up on Jerred Ruble's auction, as well as the rest of the collection that's here at Forest City, Iowa. So this is July 9th, 2022, and basically in a couple of months they'll be having a big sale here. So the things on the right side of this shed are going to be sold, starting with this Minneapolis. We have a 50 horse, or sorry, this is the 60 horse case. Another Minneapolis, 20 or 22, I forget. We have the 26 horse double Minneapolis will be sold. I have this little return flue Avery, 16 horse. We have this Westinghouse upright. We have the 28 horse Minneapolis. And I believe this is a 30 horse Minneapolis. Followed by the big 35 Buffalo Pits, which was a straw burner, but has been converted to run wood or coal. And then we've got a little half scale 110 case. So again, those are all coming up for sale. And then beyond that, we have a 22 horse Wood Brothers. This one, even though it's on this side, is not for sale. They just didn't have enough room to put it on the other side. Got the D4 Cat that we use as the yard mule. We've got 4 big plowing engines. So we've got the 40 horse Scar Scott, a 110 case, a 30 horse double cylinder, double counter shaft Minneapolis engine, 36 horse Rumbly in the back corner, and then we've got the 18 Avery, followed by the 50 case. Again, these are all staying. Is this a 20 horse Minneapolis, I believe, known as the Budinsky engine. It came from the Budinsky family in Minnesota. A 16 horse Minneapolis that has been recently restored to running condition. Return flue number 721, a little 14 horse. A 20 horse Rumbly. I'll pan back just a minute. And we have the beginning of basically the private collection. So these engines that I just went through are all part of the Jerred Ruble Foundation. And beyond that, we have some that are in private ownership, such as this 16 horse double Nichols and Shepherd. We have the 20 horse single Nichols and Shepherd. The 2585 single side mount Nichols and Shepherd, which is my engine. The 30 horse single side mount Nichols and Shepherd, owned by Lawrence and Nick Swans. The boiler for the 35 horse Nichols and Shepherd, which is part of the foundation of Jerred's. And we have a, I believe this is 20 horse return flue Minneapolis. And then we have a privately owned Frick Eclipse that is not in running condition. So there you go. Nice collection of engines that's still remaining. There's a lot leaving too, so it'll be a bit more spacious in the shed for sure.